Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your new Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 10. So if you're having problem, you have changed some settings or you have some problem in your Microsoft Edge browser and you want to change to reset it. So I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft Edge browser. First of all, you just have to go to your Microsoft browser here. Then you just have to go to the right corner here, the three dot menu here. Click on it, and in the drop down list you can see there's an option called settings. Open the settings option. After opening the settings option, you can see in the left here there's an option called reset settings. Click on reset settings and you can see restore settings to their default values. Click on the arrow mark here and it will say that this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs and all the histories. It will clear temporary data like cookies. So make sure you don't have any important things to save any. So just click on reset and it will take some moments. Then settings were reset and now you just have to close out of here and relaunch your Microsoft Edge browser. And after relaunching the Microsoft Edge browser, the settings will be new again. So that's how you reset your Microsoft Edge browser. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.